Hi everyone, hope you all doing great. Welcome back to my financial modeling Excel learning channel. Today I am going to show you one of the most powerful, useful formula, that is the Sumif. I'm sure if you would ever wanted to prepare a one set of information, finding out the sales by its product or by its salesman, and trying to find out the expense category by in profitability account. Imagine if you have a thousands of data is being cumbersome and you wanted to figure it out of a thousands of the rows of data, what would be the sales for a particular person who has been repeatedly sold for 20 times, 30 times. So it is not possible, or we're killing your time of each time filtering it out. So this formula would allow you to simply simply applying the syntax, easy syntax, sum if condition would give you the better results. So now, without waiting, let's straight get into the understanding of this formula. Hmm, let's get straight into the with a practical example as well. Okay. So this is the a small table as an example I have created, and you have a this is the name, and here the requirement is I wanted to know this is the person name or any person name. Here this is the person name, and we are trying to find out what would be the sales of Olivia, or what would be the sales of Sophia or Isabella or any Grace. I, and for example, Grace name is here, and this has been in multiple names. Okay, multiple times Grace has been sold. Now this is how the formula works. Let's directly get into the formula. So basically sum if formula will work like this. So sum if, so you are trying to summing up something of the range of, this is the range, and within this range we are trying to figure out what would be the total sales of a particular person. So now here if formula itself is giving you the answer back. Select the range. So what would be the range that you're looking out of this criteria, which is the Grace. So the Grace is being already listed over here as part of the range. Select, and then what would be your criteria. So the Grace is here, we have selected the range, and then out of that range what is that criteria that you're trying to see is the Grace, comma, and then what are you trying to sum up. This is the total sales. So now there you go. Again I'm repeating this formula. Sum if, select the total range that you're trying to see, and then what would be your name of the person, and then give the total sales which you wanted to look out for the results. I'm going to just create an enter. There you go, the answer 589 is the total sales are sold by Grace. Can we do a quick cross check? Plus Grace sales. So if you don't use sum if formula, this is how you do manually, which would take out all your time. So is there any other place where Grace is being repeated? Yeah, there you go. See, this is the answer exactly matching with Grace. Hope you all understand well. Please drop any message if you have any questions. Thank you everyone. Hope you enjoy learning this channel.